Have you ever been in a situation that your closet is so dark that you cannot actually find anything? It's tough because things are inside and I don't have any light here. But I don't even have any switch so that I cannot put a light over there. I found a product which will help me in that situation. I found this product online which will help me to make a switch in that situation I have. What I'll do, I'll actually take the connection from this pop light to somewhere here and make a hole, and in that connection I'll just add that switch somewhere here so that I'll have the light here, and then I can actually turn on and off through that switch here automatically. If you look at the diagram, you can see that on the left hand side there is existing pot light connection. I took the connection from there. In between I added a switch using hardware, and then at the end I added the closet light. I just made a hole here for the pot light. You can do it with the round circular saw, or you can do with any dowel cutter. It's pretty easy. I got a problem here because there is a stud here, but I'll figure it out. So what I'll do, I'll take the connection from here to there. This is the existing one, so I add one more pot light there. The connection should go there. I fish the wire through this wire so that I can take that wire to this part, and what I'll do, I'll add one switch connection somewhere here so that it will turn on and off from there. So my connection is ready. Now these two wires, I'll just put it together to see that the connection is done or not. And add the light just to check that it works perfectly. Works. So you can see that this light is. I'll make a drill here, somewhere here, so that I can take the wire out. Now I'll push them back and pull this wire so that I can get this part, and I can make a connection for the switch. Now we have connection for this and that. I'm gonna place these things in the right place, and I'll take another capture. So I connected these two wires and I cut a notch here so that I can fish the wire through that. And now what I'll do, I'll actually place it somewhere here so that when the door is closed, it's gonna do that. Now I have the perfect switch here. When the door is closed, it turns off, on, turns on. So the wire came through that, connect this, and there's the switch. So I'll close the door, you can put on this. That's how it works. Hope you enjoy the project, and this watch is still working. If you want to see that how I made the watch battery so that you don't have to change battery.